Hi, in this video session, we'll see how to create a thermometer chart. Note that there is no standard thermometer chart in Excel. We create the chart using a column chart and we do some modification. Thermometer chart is used to measure. So let's say suppose you have a sales target and the person has achieved some percentage of the target. You can use thermometer chart. So the target can be more than 100% or less than 100%. Assuming target was, let's say, $100 and achievement by the person is, let's say, $90. So we can say that the achievement percentage, we can compute achievement percentage as 90 by 100. So 90% is the achievement, and target percentage, if we want to know, it will be 100 by 100. So what we'll do is we'll say achievement and target, and we'll say insert, and we'll have a clustered column chart is created. So we have clustered column chart I have created. Now what we'll do is we'll say switch row column. So once I switch row column, you get the chart like this. I have to plot this on the secondary axis. So I'll say format data series, and this I want to plot it on the secondary axis. So I have plotted this on the secondary axis. The moment it plotted on the secondary axis, you can see one has come over the other. Here in the left axis, the maximum value is 100%, but here in the right it is 120%. So what we have to do is we have to make both as 0 to 100%. So I'll change it format axis. Even though it is there, we'll check 0 to 1. Yeah, it is there, and we will check here format axis, and we'll make it 0 to 1. 1 means 100%. So we have made this as 100%. Then what we'll do is we'll say the fill of this, will make it no fill. So that was the target. Target, we are making it 100% no fill. And then we'll make change in the border. So border, I would want to make, let's say outline. Outline, you want to make some colors. I want to make it blue color so that it overlaps with this. And so what I have done is this one was 100% and this is 90%. So it looks like this one. So we can delete this one. We can delete this axis. Okay, and I think this got changed from format axis. We can make it from 0 to 100. Yeah. So why we had to make this here also format axis 0 to 1? Because it will automatically change it. So I have made it 0 to 100, and maximum also have to make it 100. Okay. So see, this chart has come. What I can do is I can make the plot area as border no fill, border no line and fill, so that there is nothing over here, and then this I can delete. So it looks very decent now. Only one thing we have to do is we have to make it like this so that it becomes narrow. Next we have to bring a shape. So here you can see illustration, you can have shapes. I will bring a circle and I will put the circle here, and we will make some adjustment to the circle. This we will make it like this, and we have to format it. The circle should have no outline. So this is no outline, and you can see that it looks like a thermometer. You can do some adjustment here, but let's say suppose achievement was 70%. You can see it has gone down. If it is, let's say, 98%, you can see it has gone up. So like that way you can make some changes and use it. Now where this thermometer chart will be used, typically in dashboards, wherein you want to show the performance of a team or a salesperson, you can make this nice small charts and put it in your dashboard.